This video shows you how to make a small bobble from the wrong side of the work with a crochet hook. First, I poke my crochet hook through my stitch as though to knit, even though I'm on the wrong side of the work. And then I'm gonna hook the yarn around the head and pull it through that stitch. And now we're gonna get the right hand needle out of the way while we make that bobble. Our yarn overs will be from right to left, always. So we're going to yarn over now and poke through the stitch as though to knit again. Yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, and make a crochet stitch just by pulling the yarn through just the first 2 loops. So we went from 3 to 2 loops. For the small bobble, you only have to do this one more time. Yarn over, poke through as though to knit, yarn over, pull the yarn right back through that stitch, yarn over, and make that crochet stitch by pulling it through just the first 2 loops. Now we've got 3 loops on the hook. That's enough for our small loop and this thick yarn that I'm using. Now yarn over and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Now the pretty side of our bobble is already on the front, so I only have to grab this back side of the previous stitch from the previous row and pull it through both loops. That wasn't very tidy, was it? Try again. There's through there. I'll give it a little helping hand here. Okay, and then go ahead and pull it off that left hand needle. Now you can put the bobble on the right hand needle and pull it tight. And we have a beautiful bobble on the right hand side of our work, a little smaller version of the big one. Now you can carry on purling instead of knitting, or knitting instead of purling, whatever is called for in the rosary pattern.